The electro-pyrotechnic initiating resistors R1-130 convert electrical energy into thermal energy with a given electrothermal profile. These products are designed to initiate a series of pyrotechnic events with controlled reaction energy. Resistors of this series are used in the automotive industry to activate airbags, in ignition devices, and during blasting operations in the mining industry as well as other special areas. Main features: predictable, reproducible and reliable behavior, easy level setting of ignition, compatible with various pyrotechnic compositions, resistant to electrostatic discharge, possibility of using in various SMD housings, both in lead-free and lead-containing versions. The electro-pyrotechnic chip resistors R1-130 greatly simplify the process of automated assembly of the ignition device and are suitable for most types of soldering, including that in convection ovens. The R1-130 product is packed in a carrier tape with the igniter facing the bottom of the packaging carrier pocket. For detailed information about this product, as well as other Erkon products, please visit our website, the product section.